Ka Mahatma Gandhi University Khatlaimer Tamil Kuchi Mentagasngi Kalapanku burom ya kumba prapsan ngut ki samla ki bala pendep bat ki balawan shakmat ha ki jingpule ha ka jing yakun examine undergraduate na kislem pule baper na riboy district ha ka jing yalang penku burom ka bala penlong ha parish hall hanong po kani ka jing penku burom ka long kum ka dak jong ka jing yaro ya ka jing tre shitom bat ka jingla jong ki samla pule ha ka liang ka pule puthi ha ka ju ka por ban penslur ya ki bandang tresitom bat ban ki prang ha ka lawe ha ka ne ka sngi lawan ban sakhi da uba Himalaya em sang pliang nong ai buit ka tanat pule puthi ka jella kumu kongsan ha ka jing yadon lang u meral bonds im MLA ka nongpo u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoy district u Dr Abhishek Saini o district school education officer uba Arshadab but vice chancellor ka Mahatma Gandhi University u Dr Sagar O Manjare Layadon langro ki principal na ki college baper ki samla pule bat ki we ki riu pau khman na lor ka jingpun ku borom la panlong ru ka jingya slok na ka banta ki samla bakin tip company pangkilat ban ya chakhmat ha ki jingpule khamtam ban pankre ya ka examine civil service ha ka jalla bat kari
award ceremony today. It is in fact a journey. I call it a journey because the excellence does not end here. In fact, the journey starts from here. You have been felicitated today by the management, by the university. You have been felicitated by the teachers for the good work that you have done. But your actual work starts from here. Your journey starts from here, my dear friends. Because this is the point where you are going to look forward for the future of your own self. You are going to look for a job. You are going to look for the future that holds for you. We do not know what is in your mind. Now, what kind of job you would like to take up? So, therefore, consider this as the starting point of your life. Friends, the journey is long and it's not going to be easy. It is not so cozy as you're sitting right under the fan now. And it's not as cozy as you think that you can go home and scroll and keep on watching reels in your mobile. It is not easy. Because you have to fight against thousands. Why I say that? I'm reminded that this Saturday there is an examination for the post of LD called by the MPSC. Hundreds of them have started coming to us. I'm sure they must have come to Sir Everyone also, saying, please help us, sir. Help you with what? Help us pass the exam. I said, sorry. I'm sorry. You help to pass the exam by yourself. We will just bless you. We cannot go and sit in the exam hall to write for you. You have to fight it out by yourself. That is the first challenge that you are going to face. For any job, it's not going to be easy. Hundreds of them are going to sit for the MPSC exams. And we look forward that this exam is going to be fair, is going to be just, and it should satisfy all our children. Because the government has set up a system. Now we need to follow the system which will facilitate our young minds to come out with fair results. Very recently, the government, under the leadership of Karaksama, our Chief Minister, has brought various reforms in the MPSC. That the exams are going to be conducted in a very fair manner so that our children will not have the slightest doubt when the results come out.